Okay, question C. What percentage of standardized test score is greater than 720? The first thing to do is draw the chart. Draw a Z chart. Draw the Z chart or normal curve, whatever you call it. I'm going to draw a normal curve. And 730 is greater than the mean. So the mean is 520 right here. The 730 is right here. Now I'm told to find area to the right. And where does the right stop? It stops at infinity. So this is actually positive infinity. So anytime I'm told to find area to the right, I will do something. So my calculator does not understand infinity. So the way you write it is 1 e to the power 99. If you're finding area to the left, you must put in negative 1 e to the power 99 because your calculator does not understand infinity. So what I'm going to do now is put my calculator clear and put the data in second distribution, normal CDF. Okay, I'm doing with raw score now. So I'm going to put 730 as the lower bound, 730, lower bound. Upper bound is positive infinity. Watch me to put positive infinity. 1 e to the power 99. Where do I see that e? That e is under comma. So second e. You see that is the e to the power 99. Let me clear it and make sure I put it again. 1 second e to the power 99. All right, that's how to put positive infinity in your calculator. And the mean is 520. 520. The standard deviation is 105. Calculate the area to the right. So that area to the right is 0.0227. If I'm told to round it to, let me see how many decimal places. I'm told to round to 1 decimal point. So I'm going to round to 1 decimal point. So I have, first of all, I'm told to put it in percent. So multiply by 100, round to 1 decimal point. So my answer is 2.3%. 2.3% of the data. Remember that this is a raw data. It's a real world question. So you have to answer with real world answer. Therefore, 2.3% of the data lie above 730. Therefore, 2.3% of the data lie above 730. Is that clear? If you're told to standardize, you got to standardize 730. Let's standardize 730 and see what it is. Okay, so I'm going to standardize 730 right now. Z-score is value minus mean. Value is 730 minus mean 520 divided by standard deviation 105. 730 minus 520 is 210. 210 divided by 105. So it means 2 standard deviations above the mean. So if I standardize 730, I have 2 standard deviations above the mean. If I put 2 standard deviations above the mean in my calculator to positive infinity, I get the same answer. Okay, so I am going to use my calculator to find it. So using a standardized data for 730. So second distribution, number 2, I have standardized data. So lower bound is 2. Upper bound is 1e to the power 99. I will not change that. The mean of a standardized data is always 0. We just saw that. The standard deviation of a raw data is 1. Of a standardized data is 1. Let's calculate. The same answer. So you can use a raw data, or if you're told to standardize, you have to standardize. If you're told to use empirical rule, you have to use empirical rule.